Dear friends, the JT Fox organization is blessed to have you part of our family. We are humbled that amid the worst economic disruption since the Great Depression, our company, our students, and our coaching family members have thrived to live the dream they've always wanted for themselves and their family. They are growing their businesses leaps and bounds, finding great real estate deals below market, and using the internet to dominate their local market. I know that God's hand is at work here, and even though Thanksgiving is once a year, we pride ourselves on giving wows each and every day. I want to thank you for believing in me, for allowing my partners and I to coach and mentor you to become a better you. As you celebrate the holiday seasons with your loved ones, know that your spirit, drive, and passion lives within my heart. Know that I am more committed than ever to make sure that ordinary people like yourselves do extraordinary things. I am the person I am here today, not only because of my 5 coaches, but I am the person I am today because of you. You give me hope and keep my fire burning inside bright. Finally, a special thanks to our troops who are fighting for the very freedoms we cherish in these times. Your courage and love for this country make you the real heroes and role models for what's worth fighting for. I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for all your prayers. I want to thank you for all the love you have given my company and my staff. You truly are my family. And in pursuing each of these values, my staff and I are guided by the principle of intellectual freedom, educational excellence, ethical rigor, and the desire to enhance an environment for success. Because of you, we truly live by our company's motto, powered by your success. Happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays, and see you at Mega Partnering 5.